What's going on, everybody? We are back at working on the truck. I have seats out, plastic door panels out, painting them. Not this color though. That's not gray, that's white. I don't want white. And these were originally gray, this color gray. But when you're 18 years old and you want to paint something and the only color you like is black, so you just fucking paint everything black, you don't have much of a choice later in life but to paint it black again. So I'm using some gloss black, and it's going to get a ton of clear coat on it so it doesn't chip. It normally really likes to chip right here on the door edges. I don't like that. And we've also got my front drive. So this is what the doors look like after 8, 9, 10 years of being painted black. They're all fucking chipped. You know, it used to be that gray, and this used to be the gray with like the blue, red, yellow lines in it. That weird carpet fabric looking stuff. I might see if I can get some kind of fabric and relay this something better. Same with this patch down here, this fuzz shit. But let's paint this real quick. Here's the inside of the truck, all the door panels off. We've got some fat mat back there, and I just put in a thick layer of insulation. Maybe it'll make it quieter, but the truck originally came with it, and then I removed it because it was all wet and stinky. Alright, got the headliner out. Trying to fix this. Got some hot glue and some clamps. Should close it right up. Headliner's fixed and back in. Don't have any more of the tears right here. It looks pretty good. I just got to put all these panels back on. Look at that, the front drive shaft does not fit after the swap. It's like a 1/4 inch too short. And that's all the way in. Gotta get it shortened.